Hello friends. So today we are going to start our next chapter, that is the Attorney General and the CAG. Now, first of all, about the Attorney General. The Attorney General is appointed by the President. All his remuneration and salaries जो भी होती हैं Attorney General की, that is decided by the President itself. Now, Attorney General की qualification ये होती है कि that he should be eligible to be appointed as a judge of Supreme Court. Also, he has right to sit in any of the courts all over the territory of India. Also, the Attorney General has the power to sit in both houses of the Parliament. सारी मीटिंग्स में बैठने का इनको राइट होता है, बट he does not have the right to vote. 76 article provides for the Attorney General, and he is the highest law officer of the country. Represents the central government in the he represents the central government in all the legal matters. ठीक है. स्टेट के लेवल पे देयर इज एडवोकेट जनरल, and to assist Attorney General there is Solicitor General. CAG के बारे में जैसे मैं बात करूं तो CAG is the friend and philosopher for the Public Accounts Committee. ये सारे जितने भी गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हैं, इधर स्टैट्यूटरी और नॉन स्टैट्यूटरी वंस, ऑडिट का काम होता है CAG का. ऑल्सो CAG के बारे में इट इज प्रोवाइडेड इन आर्टिकल 149, 148 में there is about the establishment of CAG, and 149 में powers and duties of the CAG are mentioned. Now 1976 में ऑडिट का काम सेपरेट कर दिया गया था CAG से. Now let's do the questions, and जो भी extra information होगी we will cover in that only. Now, who advises the government of India on legal matters? It is the Attorney General. Who among the following holds his or her office during the pleasure of President? Now, Attorney General President के pleasure पे office hold करते हैं. CAG on the other hand can be removed just like a judge of Supreme Court or a High Court is removed through impeachment. और violation of Constitution के केस में इनको हटाया जा सकता है. चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर का भी वही प्रोसेस है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जज जैसा, एंड लोकसभा के स्पीकर का तो कोई रिलेशन नहीं है. नाउ हाउ इज अटॉर्नी जनरल ऑफ इंडिया अपॉइंटेड? ही इज अपॉइंटेड बाय द प्रेसिडेंट. हु अमंग्स द फॉलोइंग इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी द फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफिसर ऑफ द कंट्री? अटॉर्नी जनरल. फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफिसर इन इंडिया इज अटॉर्नी जनरल. द अटॉर्नी जनरल इज द लीगल एडवाइजर टू द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. Now the chief legal advisor to the government of India is Attorney General. Now, who among the following shall have the right to audience in all court in the territory of India in the performance of his duties? That is Attorney General. Now, Attorney General के regarding कौन सी statement true है? He is appointed by the President, right? He must have the same qualification as are required for a judge of Supreme Court, true. He must be member of the either house of the Parliament, नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. And he can be removed by an impeachment by the Parliament, no. He can be removed by the President. इसीलिए कहा जाता है the Attorney General holds office during the pleasure of President. That is why 1 and 2 are true. So A is the right answer. Consider the following statement in context of Attorney General. The President shall appoint a person who is qualified to be appointed as a judge of Supreme Court. Right? अभी देखा हमने. The Attorney General shall receive such remuneration as determined by the Parliament. No, wrong. याद करो, मैंने लेक्चर के शुरू में इंट्रोडक्शन के पार्ट में बताया था, पार्लियामेंट डिसाइड नहीं करता है, इट इज द प्रेसिडेंट हु डिसाइड्स. That is why हमारा second statement is wrong. One only is the correct answer. Who can attend either house of parliament without being a member? So this is Attorney General. Right to sit in any house of the parliament, but do not, ये right does not means that he or she has right to vote. Right to vote नहीं होता Attorney General के पास. Which officer of the government of India has the right to take part in the proceedings of Parliament of India even though he is not a member? That is none of the above. वो इसलिए है क्योंकि वाइस प्रेसिडेंट भी एक सही ऑप्शन है एंड अटॉर्नी जनरल भी एक सही ऑप्शन है, क्योंकि वाइस प्रेसिडेंट आल्सो डज नॉट बिलोंग टू एनी ऑफ द हाउस एज ही इज द एक्स ऑफिशियो चेयरमैन ऑफ राज्यसभा, तो ही प्रिसाइड्स ओवर द सिटिंग ऑफ राज्यसभा. ओके, तो यहाँ पे वाइस प्रेसिडेंट एंड अटॉर्नी जनरल बोथ आर करेक्ट. दैट इज वाई मोर देन वन ऑफ द अबव इज द आंसर. Who among the following has right to speak and otherwise take part in the proceeding of either House of Parliament and to be a member of any parliamentary committee, but it is not entitled to vote? That is the Attorney General. Who among the following can participate in the proceedings of both House of the Parliament? Attorney General. As a non-member, who can participate in the proceedings of either House of Parliament? That is Vice President and Attorney General. That is why A and C both are correct. Who among the following has right to address the Parliament? That is the Attorney General. Now, the Attorney General of India can take part in the proceeding of Lok Sabha, be a member to the Lok Sabha committee, speak in Lok Sabha, vote in Lok Sabha. So 1, 2, 3 sub are correct. 4 is not correct. He does not have the right to vote. Solicitor General of India he is the legal advisor. मैंने बताया Attorney General is at the top, where at the second position there is Solicitor General. Also, Solicitor General is not a constitutional post. Attorney General is a constitutional post under Article 76. Solicitor General of India is a legal advisor. Who advises the state governments on legal matter? That is the Advocate General. Who among the following is a legal advisor of state government? Advocate General. The official legal advisor to the state government is Advocate General. The CAG of India is appointed by, so CAG is appointed by the President. Under which article of the Indian Constitution is the CAG appointed? It is appointed under 148, whereas 149 में powers and duties mentioned है. Powers and duties. Now, the reports of CAG of India relating to the Union are submitted first to which of the following? So, President के पास एक चीज याद रखना, हमारे President of India के पास UPSC एंड जितनी भी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल कमीशंस हैं, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल फॉर बैकवर्ड क्लासेस, ठीक है, शेड्यूल कास्ट, शेड्यूल ट्राइब, ठीक है, जितनी भी ये कमीशंस हैं, दे ऑल सबमिट रिपोर्ट्स टू दी फाइनेंस कमीशन की भी रिपोर्ट डायरेक्टली प्रेसिडेंट को सबमिट होती है. तो याद रखना, कैग की भी रिपोर्ट प्रेसिडेंट के पास पहले जाती है एंड देन प्रेसिडेंट प्लेसेस इट इन दी बोथ द हाउसेस ऑफ पार्लियामेंट. द ऑफिस ऑफ कैग वाज क्रिएटेड by the constitution under article 148 and 149 में powers were mentioned. The tenure of CAG is, so the tenure of CAG is 6 years. Which of the following is not true about the CAG? He is appointed by the president. बिल्कुल सही. Not true statement बताना है हमें. His salary is equal to that of the judge of Supreme Court. Yes, this is correct. He is disqualified from any further office after retirement. Yes. He can be removed by the president. This is the not correct statement, as the CAG can be removed only through the process of violation of constitution, just like a judge of Supreme Court can be removed. Now, the CAG can be removed from his office in the manner like a judge of Supreme Court. Which of the following duties is not performed by CAG? Now, the audit report on all expenditure from consolidated fund. Correct. I mean, not performed बताना है. The audit report on all expenditure from the contingency funds and public accounts, correct. The audit reports on all trading, manufacturing and profit loss. To control the receipt and issue of public money to ensure that the public revenue is lost to the exchequer. So the correct answer to this is D. जितनी भी मैंने बताया था स्टैट्यूटरी एंड नॉन स्टैट्यूटरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, सबकी ऑडिट कैग करता है. Now it shall be duty of the CAG to audit all the receipts which are payable into the consolidated fund of India. Yes, the CAG shall have the authority to report and audit on the accounts of stores or stocks kept in any office or department of the union and state. This is wrong. That is why, sorry, the statement is correct क्योंकि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट एंड स्टेट गवर्नमेंट बोथ की ऑडिट जो है वो कैग करता है. दैट इज वाई बोथ ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट्स आर करेक्ट. नो, कैग के हमें यहाँ पे इंपॉर्टेंस बतानी है. कैग एक्सरसाइजेस एक्सचेकर कंट्रोल ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट व्हेन द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया डिक्लेयर्स नेशनल इमरजेंसी. ठीक है, ये तो बिल्कुल गलत है, कोई लॉजिक नहीं बनता इसका. 1 इज इनकरेक्ट. 1 हम पहले एलिमिनेट कर देंगे एंड 2 एंड 3 हमारे पास बचा. 2 ऑलरेडी ट्रू होगा, दैट इज वाई हम 3 देखेंगे. दिस इज द वे थ्रू विच वी कैन सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस बाय द eliminating the options. Now, information from CAG reports can be used by investigating agencies To press charges against those who have violated the law while managing public finances. Yes, correct. कैग की रिपोर्ट्स के ऊपर में एफआईआर दर्ज की जा सकती है. The ultimate responsibility of taking due actions on the comments of the CAG rests with the Parliament. CAG की reports पे Parliament is the last authority to decide. Who amongst the following attend the meeting of the public accounts of Parliament? That is the CAG. अभी मैंने लेक्चर के शुरू में इंट्रोडक्शन के पार्ट में बताया था CAG acts as a friend and philosopher to the Public Accounts Committee. Now, which of the following articles prescribes the duties of the CAG? Duties of the CAG are prescribed by the Article 149. The CAG is appointed by the President. He can be removed on the address of both the houses of Parliament. बहुत vague हमारे options है यहाँ पे. He can be removed by the process like the Supreme Court judge can be removed. Now, the CAG is a friend and guide of the Public Accounts Committee. The Public Accounts Committee of Indian Parliament scrutinizes the report of the CAG. The amendment to CAG Duties, Powers and Condition of Service Act 1971 separates account from audit and relieves the CAG of its responsibility in the matters of preparation of accounts. The amendment was made in the year 1976 में amendment हुए थे. The Advocate General of the state in India is appointed by the President of India on the recommendation of the Governor of the concerned state. बिल्कुल गलत है ये statement. President का कोई रोल नहीं होता. It is the Governor who decides. Second statement is as provided in the Civil Procedure Code, High Courts have original appellate and advisory jurisdiction at state level. So this is not true. 143 के अंदर original and appellate original jurisdiction rest with the Supreme Court. That is why D is the correct answer. Who is called the guardian of the public purse? That is the CAG. CAG acts as the guardian of public finance. Assertion and duties of assertion and reason का question है. The duty of CAG is not merely to ensure the legality of expenditure, but also it's proprietary. Correct. He has to uphold the constitution and laws of parliament in the field of financial administration. Yes, correct. R is the correct reason for it. That is why हमारा B is the correct answer. Which of the following statement is not correct? The financial public finance studies financial activities in the government consist of functioning of commercial bank. Now, Girish Chandra Murmu has become India's 14th CAG. With this, we have finished the CAG and Attorney General. In the next lecture, we will do the order of precedence and Parliament start करेंगे उसके बाद. Thank you.